The smart school, ये मेरा स्कूल है. The smart school, हम सबका स्कूल है.
Assalamu alaikum and very good morning dear students. Welcome to the new class. We are starting our today's section with the chapter the number system, and our today's topics are place value and writing numbers in words. Dear students, please open your books Smart Mathematics Textbook 4. Now, place value and writing numbers in words are not new concepts for you, but the different thing is that we were previously dealing with 5-digit numbers, means 10,000s, and now we will work with 6-digit numbers, which are 100,000s. Now, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the place value and value of digits up to 6-digit numbers and write numbers in word form in international and in Pakistani place value system. Now, place value up to 6-digit numbers. The place value of first digit is ones and place value of second digit is tens. Now, who can tell me the place value of third digit? Exactly, this is hundreds. And the place value of fourth digit is thousands. Place value of fifth digit is 10,000. And the new thing is the sixth digit, and its place value is 100,000. Now we will see an example of 6-digit numbers in a place value chart. The first digit is 8 and its place value is ones. Second digit is 0 and its place value is tens. And third digit is 1 and its place value is hundreds. Fourth digit is 4, yes exactly, and its place value, yes it is thousands. And the fifth digit is 9 and its place value is 10,000s. And the sixth digit, yes exactly, its place value is 100,000s. Okay, now we will read the number as 394,108. Now note one thing, that there is a comma between thousands and other numbers, because we have divided these into periods. So the first period is of ones period and the second period is of thousands period. To make this concept more clear, I want to show you a video.
One, two, three, comma B. After 3, it's a comma you see, and that first comma there. That's the thousands comma, didn't you hear? 1, 2, 3, digits for me. When there's 3, it's the hundreds you see.
321.
When those 3 turn to 4, past the hundreds and the commas in store.
1,321.
Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand, don't ask your mama. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand, just say thousand like this.
Say the number you see in front of the comma. When you see the comma, say 1,000. Then say the number you see after the comma.
9,402. 52,486. 255,321. 1, 2, 3, comma B. More than 3, it's a comma you see, and that first comma there. That's the thousands comma, didn't you hear?
1,321.
Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Don't ask your mama. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Just say thousand like this.
Say the number you see in front of the comma. When you see the comma, say thousand. Then say the number you see after the comma.
8,888.
Number, then thousand, then 888.
88,888.
Number, then thousand, then 888.
888,888.
Number, then thousand, then 888.
1, 2, 3, comma. More than 3, it's a comma, you see. And that first comma there, that's a thousands comma, didn't you hear? Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Don't ask your mama. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand.
Now try to say these numbers on your own. Don't forget what to say when you see the first comma. $3,678. $57,821. $321,654.
1, 2, 3, comma, B. More than 3, it's a comma, you see. And that first comma there, that's a thousands comma, didn't you hear? Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Don't ask your mama. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand.
Just say thousand.
I hope that you must be clear about place value of digits and how do we read numbers up to 6 digits. Now with the help of few examples, I want to highlight the difference of place value and value. Here some numbers are given and few digits are colored red. We will write these digits, place value and value. Rather we will discuss it. So the first number is 1234. The colored digit is 4 and its place value is ones and its value is 4. Now the next one is 3 and what is the place value of 3? Yes, very good, it is tens and its value is 30 and the place value of third digit is hundreds and its value is 200. And what is the place value of fourth digit? Yes, exactly, this is thousands and its value is 1000. And what is the place value of fifth digit? It is 10,000s and the value of 9 is 90,000. And here the sixth digit and its place value is, yes, who can tell me this? Yes, very good, this is 100,000s and its value is 800,000. Now you are clear about place value of each digit of a 6-digit number. All of these were according to International Place Value System. In our country, we use another system of place value simultaneously, which is known as Pakistani Place Value System. In International Place Value System, we have place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. And in Pakistani Place Value System, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Okay. Now this is noticeable that first 5 digits have same place value in both the systems, in International Place Value System and in Pakistani Place Value System. But the 6th digit has different place value and in international place value system it is 100,000, which is equals to lakhs in Pakistani place value system. Now we will compare international and Pakistani place value system. In international and Pakistani place value system, we put commas after every period, but periods in both the systems divided differently. In the international place value system, the comma is given after 3 digits. After every 3 digits, we have commas. But in Pakistani place value system, first comma comes after 3 digits, means after hundreds, but after that, comma comes after every 2 digits. Now, with the help of all this information about place value of digits, we can easily write numbers in words or writing numerals in words. For writing numbers in words, we consider the place of commas to identify that the number is written in international place value system or in Pakistani place value system. Means by just looking at the place of commas, we can find that in which system the number is written. Now we read and write numbers starting from highest place value, which is from left side. Okay, now we put commas to differentiate the periods in words as we put in figures. In order to make your concept more clear, I want to give you some examples. Example number 1, the number is written 364592. Now in international place value system, in figures we will write 3 digits, then comma, then 3 more digits. And in words we will write 364,592. And in Pakistani place value system, we write 3 digits, comma, then 2 digits, comma, and then last digit. And we will write in words as 3,64,592. Another example is 729304. And we will write this number in international place value system in figures as 729,304. Then in words 729,304. In Pakistani place value system, we will write in figures 7,29,304. And in words we will write 7,29,304. I hope now you are easily write numbers up to 6 digits in words according to international and in Pakistani place value system. Now we will revise what we learned today. Identification of place value and value of digits up to 6 digit numbers. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, very good. I think it must be clear. And then appropriate use of commas according to international and Pakistani place value system. It must be interesting for you. Now, writing numbers up to 6 digits in words according to international and Pakistani place value system. Okay. I hope you understand the place value of 6 digit numbers and write them in words easily. You can implement your learning in written tasks, and your written tasks are number 1, build up exercise 1, page 2 of Smart Mathematics textbook 4, in which you will write value and place value of ring digit. Task number 2, build up exercise 1, page 3 of Smart Mathematics textbook 4, where you will write the given numbers in words in both the system, in international place value system and in Pakistani place value system. And then your homework is worksheet 1, exercise 1, page 1 of Smart Mathematics Workbook 4, where you will write place value and value of underlined digit. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Good luck, Allah Hafiz, and keep practicing.